How are you? Today I am going to angle nut bolt in SolidWorks. We'll learn it. At first open the SolidWorks software, then go to file and click new and click part and click OK. Now go to right plane and sketch. Now draw the polygon to origin. Select this line horizontal. Now give the dimension this line 50. OK, select. Now go to feature and extrude. Now extrude 20. OK. Isometric view. Now go to this plane and sketch. Go to normal tool and draw the circle here. Give the dimension 80. Select. Now go to feature and extrude. Now extrude here 100. Now here degree use 5 degree. OK. Now go to this plane and sketch. Go to normal tool. Now this circle convert into this. Now go to feature and helix. Now reverse. Now here select pitch and height. Give the height 70 and pitch give the 10. Now here use the degree 5 degree use. 5 degree use. Taper order. OK. Okay. Now go to here, select point, go to reference plane, just select helix. OK. Now go to this plane and sketch. Go to normal tool. Now draw the circle here and give the dimension 5. Select. Now this point control this helix pierce. Okay. Now go to isometric view, feature and extrude cut, reverse cut. Now here select. Okay, go to exit. Exit. Now select sweep cut. Now this box select profile. Here select path. Okay. Okay. Now go to this plane height. Now this helix height. Now go to isometric view. We can use shaded tool. Now go to file and save as desktop assembly 1. Okay. Now go to this plane and sketch. Now go to normal tool. Again draw the helix polygon. Select here and here. Give the dimension this line 50. Okay. Select. Now go to isometric view again and feature and extrude 20 reverse. Just use degree 5 and rough outdoor. Okay, now just select here, undo the marks. Okay, undo the marks. Now you can here undo the marks. Now go to direct editing, combine, subtract, select. Here select first body and here select this body, show preview. Okay, now go to file and save as assembly 2. Okay, now go to file again and new assembly part. Okay, now go to here, select browse, assembly 1, control, assembly 2, open. Okay, and okay. Now go to here, select axis, this axis, mate this axis. Okay, okay. Now go to here, axis undo. Okay, make our job. Okay, now go to shader tool use. Now here metal, solid metal. Solid. Now you can use any color. Now select here again. Okay, make our job. Thank you all everyone, share and like. If have any ask, you can write comment box.